All right, so we're going to use properties of logs to change these. So the 2 goes back as the 8, the 3 to the 5, the 6 to the 2. So my first step is going to have log of 8 squared plus log of 5 cubed minus log of 2 to the power 6. So remember, addition means multiplication. Division, subtraction means division. So if you type this part in your calculator, do 8 squared times 5 cubed divided by 2 to the power 6, you should get log of 125. All right, so today we're going to be working on solving equations that have exponents and logs on them. So today we're just going to be doing type 1 of your notes, which is solving them where they have exponents on them. So here we go. So the first one here, this is if we have the same base. So 9 to a 2x, I can rewrite 81, so it also is a power of 9. So I can write this as 9 squared. So then a power to a power, I'd multiply these. And now they both have the same base of 9, so then I can go ahead and just solve the exponents equal to each other. So once the bases are the same, then you just solve the exponents. So I'm going to solve 2x equals 6x minus 4. So subtract over my 6x. I get negative 4x equals negative 4, so x equals 1. All right, on this one here, 8 and 16 are both powers of 2, so I'm going to rewrite that as that. So this is going to be 2 cubed, and this is 2 to a power of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply those, so it gives me 15x, and that would be a 12x plus 16. Once the bases are the same, I'm going to solve my exponents. Subtract over your 12x. So x equals 16/3. And you can just leave it as that fraction. You guys don't need to put it as a decimal. All right, now type 2. I cannot get these. And you can do the 1b. You can do that to 1a also. What I'm about to teach you here, it works up here also. So what I need to do here is I need to get whatever has the exponent by itself. So first thing I would do here would be to subtract my 3. And now, in order to bring an exponent out in front, we're going to do what we did yesterday, and we're going to use the property from yesterday that if I have a natural log or a logarithm, the exponent comes out in front. So I'm going to go ahead and natural log, so the x comes out in front. So it'd say x natural log of 5 equals natural log of 19. So now this is an implied multiplication, so I would just divide by natural log of 5 to both sides. So x equals natural log of 19 divided by natural log of 9. Or you can go ahead and type it in your calculator if you want it, and you do natural log of 19 divided by natural log of 5, I said. And that'll be we'll do like 2 decimals, 1.83. So you can write down either one of those answers. So on this one right here, I'm going to natural log both sides again, and the exponent will come out in front. So I'm going to have x minus 1, natural log of e. What's on here, you have to remember that. Remember natural log of e? We did that on our other paper. Natural log of e was 1. So this is actually 1 in here. 1 times something does not make it, doesn't like change it. So we'd have this right here. So then all I have to do, so I'd have x minus 1 equals natural log of 15. And I just have to add 1. And you don't actually add it to the natural log because this is a term on its own. So you'd have this answer here, or I could type that in my calculator, natural log of 15 plus 1, and I get about 3.71. Okay, so I'm very partial to natural logs because that's what we use in upper level mathematics. But down here, when we have a 10, remember logs base is 10. So like right here, I did the natural log of e, and it became 1. If I do log down here, that's also going to become 1 for us. So if I log both sides of this, I'm going to have x minus 3 log of 10 equals log 21. And log 10 is 1. So then you just have the x minus 3 equals log 21, and add your 3. Remember, do not add it to the log. So if you wanted a decimal answer, we put that. Make sure you close your parenthesis, and then add my 3. So 4.32. So x is approximately 4.32. So over here, first thing I'm going to do is to subtract my 5 over. And now I can log both sides. So I get x log 10 equals a log 8. Remember, log 10 is 1. So x equals log of 8, which is approximately 0.90. And we're going to do the second type on our next lesson for tomorrow.